Unlimited lechon and shrimp for just 369 pesos. When I found out about unlimited lechon and shrimp for only 369 pesos, it sounded almost unbelievable. I was excited to try it and see if it really lived up to the hype. For Manila foodies, this may be the best sulit and budget-friendly buffet right now. So come with us and let's check out the food on the table at Hapag sa Balai. Located on the ground floor of 704 Liberisa Street, corner Quirino Avenue, Malate, Manila. After a short Holy Week break, Hapag sa Balai is back in operation and ready to serve foodies who love Filipino cuisine. It offers an all-day, all-you-can-eat Filipino buffet. The place is cozy with a homey atmosphere and a cool, comfortable dining area. The real highlight? The food and the price. Let's start with the unlimited lechon. The skin is beautifully crispy, with every bite revealing tender, juicy pork beneath. Each piece is perfectly roasted with enough fat to melt in your mouth and keep you coming back for more. Whether it's a fiesta or a simple occasion, the lechon is always the centerpiece and a crowd pleaser that makes you pause and savor every flavorful note. We also enjoyed the butter garlic shrimp and ask for seconds. Rich, garlicky with savory sauce, perfect with plain rice. For foodies who love lechon and shrimp, this is something you shouldn't miss. Hapag sa Balay has something for everyone. Alongside, there's a variety of home-cooked dishes to choose from. Pancit Canton, Pinoy Spaghetti, beef salpicao, chicken curry, pork hickory, laing, sweet and sour fish fillet, Lumpiang Shanghai, and the Aristocrat-Style fried chicken. The main dishes are best complemented by a hearty and satisfying cream of mushroom soup. They also have Chicharon Bulaklak, best served with spiced vinegar. It is a popular Filipino appetizer with a flowery appearance, also known as crunchy rapple pot. The buffet also offers dim sum favorites: Pork Siomai, Japanese Siomai, and shark fin dumpling. Diners can complete their meal with desserts of sweet coffee jelly, pandan jelly, and a refreshing gulaman drink. Hapag sa Balai is the place where good food meets affordability. At just 369 pesos per person, this promo price unlimited buffet is easy on the pocket and is definitely worth it. So gather and treat your family, friends, and loved ones at Hapag sa Balai. Dining at Hapag sa Balai is on a first-come, first-served basis. You can visit them from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Come early to skip the lines. Limited parking space is also available. The restaurant also offers catering services for private events. The place can accommodate up to 100 people. For inquiry, call 8896-0319 and 0906-088-9602. Would you try this unlimited Filipino buffet in Malate? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review and want more food adventures around Manila, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel and share with your fellow foodies. Thanks for watching! Don't miss out on our next food trip.